Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Netlify for serverless functions for mobile apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Netlify, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Netlify and press enter. Click on the first link that directs you to the Netlify homepage. Once you're on the Netlify website, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You'll be presented with several options to create an account. You can choose to sign up using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or an email address. If you prefer using your email, fill in your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. You may need to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a verification link. Once you confirm your email, return to the Netlify site and log into your account. Upon logging in, you will see the Netlify dashboard. To set up serverless functions, navigate to the New Site from Git option. Click on this option to begin connecting your Git repository. Follow the prompts to choose the repository where your mobile app's code is stored. Select the branch you want to deploy from, then click Deploy Site. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Once your site is deployed, locate the Functions tab in the dashboard. Click on the Functions tab to enter the Serverless Functions Setup area. Here, you can create a new function by clicking the New Function button. Give your function a name that describes its purpose. Write the code for your serverless function in the provided editor. Save your function and deploy it to make it active. Once your function is deployed, you can find the endpoint URL. This URL can be integrated into your mobile app for serverless functionality. Feel free to explore additional options and settings within the Netlify dashboard as needed. Now you're all set to use Netlify serverless functions with your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.